It all depends on the members of the House. How soon would they want to transmit the first impeachment complaint to the Justice Committee? Or will they wait for the two others' impeachment complaint? Or would they consider transmitting the three impeachment complaints simultaneously to the Justice Committee?
Hindi makapagkomento si Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervy Luistro, chairperson ng House Committee on Justice sa nangyaring pagtanggi ng opisina ni House Secretary General Attorney Sheloy Garafil na tanggapin yung ikalawa at ikatlong impeachment complaints na tinangkang ihain ng dalawang magkaibang grupo laban kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kahapon, araw ng Huwebes, January 22. Anya, nasa jurisdiction nito ng opisina ng Secretary General ng Kamara. Hindi pa rin tiyak kung ano yung magiging aksyon ng opisina ng House Speaker at ni Isabela 6th District Representative Faustino Boji III sa unang impeachment complaint na naipadala na ni House Secretary General Garafil. Dagdag pa nito, nasa desisyon ng mga miyembro ng kapulungan ng Kamara yung bilis ng referral ng reklamong impeachment sa House Justice Committee